everyone love. Guys, I'm not able to stop my laughing because the interviewer is sleeping. He's taking an interview while sleeping.
You are staying now?
I'm staying in downtown. Downtown.
I'm shortlisting people today for you.
Hmm.
Okay, in a day or two, I will come back to you for the simulation.
Done, sir. Hello guys, today I have no plan to make a story and it's 1st February 2020 and but why I'm making a story if I have no plan? Because I came here for an interview and there are like 7 to 8 people are there which are already waiting. The interview time was 9:45 and I reached at 11:20. See, when I reached there, every aspirant was sitting and they all were waiting for the person who will conduct the interview. So the person came at 11:40 and आपका भाई came at 11:30. See, the timing, there's only 10 minutes difference. So no one asked me why are you late and why this and that, nothing. So let me show you the car. Very fast and furious car is there, man. This one. So when I reached there, everyone was waiting for the last like more than an hour from. So when the interview started, the person came in. In fact, I have also made the video, but let me see if I share it or not because that looks weird. The person who was taking an interview, he was sleeping. Seriously, he was sleeping. The person, the candidate came outside and he said, I said, how was your interview and all. He was saying, what interview? The person is sleeping inside. I said, okay. But then the second one is also said the same thing, then the third one, then the fourth one. And there was one lady who says that it's very insulting that we have taken an off from our job and the person who has to take an interview, he is sleeping. So this is very embarrassing for us. So then at last, when आपका भाई came in, so I have also witnessed the same thing that the person is sleeping and seriously I am doing job and the different stuff. I am in the corporate world for the last 5 years almost, 4.5 years. And this is my first time that any interviewer who is taking an interview, he is sleeping. Oh, metro का है metro? उधर है. So he was seriously sleeping, yeah. Let me see if I share a small clip of this. But amazing. There are people who are also doing this thing. He was like this. How many years of experience? Okay. What's your salary expectation? How much do you expect? And like this. Whoa! So, and this is the kahani, this is the story, this is what I love, and look at the car. Truck! So guys, thank you so much for watching. Arrivederci, hasta la vista, Habibi, ya Habibi, ya Habibi. Sir, what's your name?
Talal.
Talal.
Yes.
And you are from?
Egypt.
You are from Egypt. Sir, my name is Yasir Malik and I am from Pakistan.
Yasir.
Yasir Malik.
Yasir Malik.
Yasir Malik. And sir, I am a YouTuber. You know YouTube?
Yes.
I make videos on YouTube
Correct.
with the name Yasir Malik. You can check it. Alright, sir.
Inshallah.
And sir, in the end, you have to say Arri Diversi. Say Arri. Arri.
Arri.
Like this. Arri.
Yes.
Arri. Say Arri. I'll tell you the meaning. Yeah.
Dubai
This video is going on. So
Yes, yes.
Arri.
Okay, yes, I will.
Devershi. Say I'll tell you the meaning. Arri Devershi.
Yes.
No, you have to say that. Arri
Arri, yes.
Devershi.
Diversi.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.
Habibi.
Habibi.
Like this. Habibi.
Habibi.
That's mean hey, how are you?
Yes,
No. It's mean these are the three different language words. One in Italian, and then in Spanish, and the Habibi. is,
Oh,
yeah. That means see you. We will meet next time. Alright, sir. And in the last, you have to say Janab, kaise aap? That means hey, how are you in my regional language. In Pakistani Urdu language. Yeah.
Urdu language.
You have to say Janab like this. Janab,
Janab.
Janab,
Janab.
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 कैसे
कैसे
हैं
है
आप?
आप? कैसे आप?
Thank you so much,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Pleasure.
Okay.
This is the love from everywhere. Every human being is same. If you give respect, he will give you respect. Everyone love. And I'm here to give love.